Good morning, everybody. So we're going to use up this lemon powder that I just made. Well, I made it yesterday, but I just made it. Okay, the first one we're going to make is lemon pepper. It's very, very, very easy. So you want 1 tablespoon of your lemon seasoning. You want another tablespoons. I don't think you want lemon in your pepper, do you? Oh my. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay. Then we're gonna go 1 and 2 of pepper. I need a fork. Gonna stir that up. You guys can see it. Okay, so there we go. Now you can add salt to this if you want. I have my salt here. I was gonna add it, but I don't think I'm going to. Now, actually, yes, I am gonna add it to this one. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is that, because I did change my mind, I changed my mind a lot. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt to that. Get that all mixed in there. Alright, now we're just going to fill up our little spice container. Now all I have here, this is just an old spice container that I've washed out. And there we go. There it, oh, I don't even have the lid with me. Where's my lid? There it is. There we go. Lemon pepper seasoning. Super easy. Now, let's move on to the next seasoning that we're gonna make using this lemon. Okay, now we're on to the second one. So we're gonna make a lemon herb seasoning. So again, we want a tablespoon of lemon powder. Now we want a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Why Italian seasoning? Because it has everything in there. It has parsley, oregano, basil, thyme. What else did I put in here? Rosemary and marjoram. And I do believe, no, I didn't add savory to this one. So I'm gonna grab a thing of savory here and add a teaspoon of that. Okay, I have a half teaspoon, so I'll just do that. Now, we want to add some sage. So you want 1 teaspoon of sage in here. And again, I'm using a half a teaspoon, so I'm doubling that. Then we want a tablespoon of black pepper. And then a tablespoon, roughly a tablespoon of salt. Now we're just going to blend that up. You can leave the salt out if you don't want it in there. And there we go. Now we have some lemon herb seasoning. Oh, this one smells amazing. So there you go. Quick little view of it. Beautiful. Okay, now let me get this into a container. Put it right behind me. And whenever you use your homemade seasonings, no different than store-bought ones, you want to give them a little shake before you go and use them. Okay, so just give me a moment and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, and this time we're going to make like a, kind of like a Mrs. Dash's seasoning mix, sorry. We're going to start out with, you guessed it, a tablespoon of lemon. All right, then we're going to move on to a tablespoon of black pepper. Close it. Okay. Now we're going to do a teaspoon of dill. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning mix. Gosh, them birds are right lippy outside today. Bird feeders must be empty. Okay, then we're going to do a teaspoon of sage. A teaspoon of savory. 1 tablespoon, or as close as I can get it, of chive powder. You can use onion powder. It's just this is onion free, and I'm now out of chives. And those are used. Okay, now we're going to add half a teaspoon of maize. Yeah, make sure I grabbed my maize. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle chili pepper. Yes, we're going to kick that up a notch. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This will give it an extra little kick. Now, I know Miss Dash's doesn't typically have salt, but we aren't a salt-free house, so feel free to leave this out. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt to that. Now I'm going to stir this up. Oh, I'm going to try and keep everything in the bowl. Okay, let's give it a little tasty taste. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Okay. Now, I'm just going to put this into a container. Continue to make a mess of it everywhere. And there we go. So now we've got, okay, so that's everything. So we've got Mrs. Dash's type seasoning, a lemon herb seasoning mix, and lemon pepper, and still lots of lemon powder left. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 3 seasonings for 1. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.